Are you still spending hours doing tasks that AI can handle in minutes? Well, you're about to level up. Today, I'm sharing 5 AI tools that will completely change how you work, create, and live in 2025. These tools can save you time, boost your productivity, and maybe even make you feel like a tech genius. Ready to become unstoppable? Let's dive in. First up is ChatGPT 4.0. If you've ever wished for a personal assistant that never complains or calls in sick, this is it. From writing emails to creating reports, ChatGPT handles it all. Here's a pro tip. Ask ChatGPT to write you a full YouTube script or summarize meeting notes. You'll save hours. You're welcome. I once had an urgent email to send, and I had no time to draft it. ChatGPT, boom, it created a professional email in seconds. Now that you've got your writing assistant covered, let's organize all those ideas. Next up is Notion AI, my personal favorite for organizing life's chaos. Whether you're managing projects, creating study notes, or planning content, Notion AI can turn your messy ideas into structured workflows. Imagine typing in bullet points of random ideas, and within seconds, Notion AI drafts an entire presentation outline. No more blank page syndrome. Let's talk about content creation. If you make videos or podcasts, Descript is a must-have. This tool lets you edit your video by editing text. Yes, you can literally delete a word in the script and it cuts that part out of the video. No more struggling with clunky timelines. Editing with Descript feels like magic. You'll be wondering, why wasn't this invented sooner? Have you ever struggled with video editing? Drop a comment below. This tool might just save your sanity. If you want stunning visuals without hiring a designer, check out MidJourney for AI-generated art or Canva AI for ready-to-use templates. Need a logo, social media post, or presentation slide? Just type what you need, and these tools create something jaw-dropping. I once created a thumbnail for a video in 2 minutes, and it looked better than the ones I spent hours on. Finally, let's talk about Zapier, your automation powerhouse. This tool connects your favorite apps and automates repetitive tasks. For example, you can set up a Zap that saves every Gmail attachment you get straight into Google Drive and then pings you in Slack. All of this, hands-free. How much time would you save if your tasks were automated? Let me know in the comments below. So, there you have it. 5 AI tools to supercharge your productivity in 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready for more game-changing tech, hit that like button and subscribe to ByteSized. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay productive.